Hey guys, so this is one of the longer videos I'm uploading today. It's not a short. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I am in the middle of a rainstorm. I know, it's pretty awesome. Don't worry, my phone is protected by a flimsy plastic bag. Look. Check it out, it's raining. It's beautiful. Look over there, goats in the garden. Rain everywhere. That's pretty cool and all. And our terrace, this is the terrace, is flooding. See? It's flooded. Look at that. And look at this place where the AC unit is kept. Flooded. Roads, flooded. Everything, flooded. So let's go to the roof. So this is the second story. So let's go to the roof. Roof, flooded. Everything up here, flooded. The view, amazing. This is the view after. Actually, it's currently still raining. It's fairly cold up here. Like, warm-ish, but cold, but it's also rained. Very nice weather. We love it. Because it hasn't rained in a long time. So yeah. Like, look at the towers out there. Just amazing. I'm gonna see if I can clean up the camera. Just everything. Beautiful. The rain is now stopping. It's gonna stop and then probably be rainy tomorrow or day after tomorrow, hopefully. It's really nice to get rain. Like, look at that. It's full of water. Our tank gets filled with water. There's a drain right there. So it's nice. Okay, I'm gonna go inside now. I gotta go change and play Minecraft.